Kani gadega Pati CCTV.
Kajingbudian ban Ïakren penbej ikikam kapot apreng gajala Meghalaya bat Assam. Kapala lam kamat arngut ki menteri rangba. Kapala long menta kasingi ka shitarik yayong hanong ba Guwahati kalayaj bej. Hakabala shem ya karai ban IT ban pendep ikikam kibasa haka level jung ki chief secretary. Yakani karai la shem haka jingyelang kabau menteri rangba kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ka kunon jong hu kabakantop yaki menteri sarkar bat ki officer rangba. Kilalej bani kendo yu menteri rangba kajala Assam Usar Bananda Sonawal Brahmaputra Guest House Guwahati. Kani kajingi kendo kadai kabla peteng hadian usnam arja shipho. Bat kani kajingi kendo kadai kasian kaba shipho hapadeng ki menteri rangba jongki Tylli ki jala. Bat kaba khandai kadai kabla long haka santarik ubnai jilio arja shipho. Kabla long hapadeng Dr. Mukul Sangma bat menteri rangba barim ka Assam Utarun Gogoi. Yau Dr. Mukul Sangma lasenran da menteri rangba barim ka jala Meghalaya Dr. Didi Lapang, usembut Menteri Rangba Profesor Asi Lalu, ke Menteri Kam-an, Kong Roshan Wajri, Pak Menteri Penroi Kaput, Pak Preston Tensong Nalor Kihe Officer. Habakran cikilat patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingilang Dr. Mukul Pat Usonawal Kilaong, Kalong ban beteng ya ke Ïakren ban penbej ya ke kam kaput bat ke jing kajia bat ru pakandang beteng sah ke level jong ke chief secretary habai dei baki kot kisla bat ki map ki bla IT ban kam halor ke jinglong trai ki khat Tylli ki jaka bandan hapadeng ke jing kajia bakentup iki jaka bashatei jong Katarabari Gizang Reserve Forest Hahim Langpi Bordowar Boklapara Nongwa Matamur Khanapara Pilangkata Desdemoria Block 1 Block 2 Khanduli Pesiar Barata Cera. Kawai pat kamat kadai ban khandrai ki seng leno ki ba pentriam hapo kathan chatai lam mingi baru ki kam pentriam kum ka kam ra bor ki kam penyap bat kawai kadai ban perking ya ka jing penjulori ya ka memariang kumanti ekilom hakapot jangajala Meghalaya bat Assam.
We are all aware of the issues which the states need to mutually attend to and resolve. A number of issues are there which has been part of our discussion. We are all aware of the areas of difference along the interstate boundary with Assam and Meghalaya. Certain discussions have been already held on this, and as a follow-up at the Chief Secretary level, further discussion will be held so that both the states, leadership of both the states can actually come into such a situation to resolve these long-pending issues which is mutually acceptable to the people of both the states. Okay, that is the parameter we are looking at, which is mutually acceptable by the people of both the states. Meghalaya and Assam need to prosper together, and that is what we all understand. Besides this, the issue of dealing with militancy, criminals, etc., this has been discussed, and a joint action is proposed by both the states. We have been doing it earlier also, but further, more focused attention by both the authorities of the states will be attended to deal with the issues of criminal activities, militant activities, insurgent activities in the region. In addition to that, one more important issue is the issue of environment, the overall environmental degradation that's taking place along the Assam-Meghalaya border. This also has been handled, and then we have found out a way that from both sides, mutually they will be dealt with the administrative level.
With the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and we had a lot of issues to discuss. We have discussed in details about our interstate boundary issues and others like environment issues and extremist issues. We have all decided to work together for our mutual growth, and we'll jointly conduct operation against extremist activities, extremist outfit, to restore peace and tranquility on the borderline on both the state. And secondly, at the Chief Secretary level, the border dispute issue will be discussed. And thirdly, the environment will be restored, and whoever is doing illegally, the hill cutting and others thing, they should be stopped. It will be done jointly.
Kani gadega Pati CCTV.